Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best IIT JEE coaching in your city, Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best IIT JEE coaching in Delhi. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is the most preferred online training platform for the preparation of IIT entrance examinations in Delhi. Okay friends, so since 20 years of excellence in the industry of this field, Toppers Academy has now come live in this pandemic era as well. The contribution has been given immensely, experiencing and understanding the needs of the student, growing with the dreams to achieve their goals. Toppers Academy provides the best coaching for IIT JEE Main and Advanced, NEET, AIMS and also for CBSE Class 9th and 12th and undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Toppers Academy has faculty from IITs who makes the learning so interesting that students enjoy the subject and achieve excellent score in academic as well as competitions. Now let us talk about some of the features of this institute. The very first is updated study material, then interactive live classes. Third is free booklets for IIT JEE. Number 4, newspaper and magazine analysis. Then we have doubt clearing classes, answer writing practice sessions, periodic test series on updated NEET and IIT coaching institutes, regular feedback stories, and then they have limited batch size, that is 30 to 35 students for IIT JEE yearly. Okay, their contact number is 7827048964 and their batch size is 30 to 35 students for online classes batch. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Institute. The Hindu Zone is a platform in which the vision of teaching IIT entrance examination is not only limited to theoretical preparation but also some practical approaches followed accordingly. The expertise counselors guide students to pave ways accordingly and individually for a better understanding of in-depth concepts. Alright, now let us talk about the features of The Hindu Zone Institute. Well-experienced faculty help students, don't let them be held up with their doubts. Then, pre-recorded classes are provided for the extensive training program. Live video sessions inculcate students with long practices. Number 4, updated study material is always there for students to be one step ahead with their preparations among the others. Then, doubt clearing sessions are an advantage for those having huge doubt while studying. Finally, we have regular feedback stories giving attention to real updates of students' analysis of the training, and it provides demo lectures for the students for the preferred coaching with an expert mentor to drive your journey smartly and appropriately. Alright, the address of this institute is 8800222298 and the batches of the institute is 25 to 30 students in a batch. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Vidya Mandir classes, or popularly known as VMC. VMC has the mantra to get success in IIT JEE. Vidya Mandir classes of IIT JEE in Delhi hold rank number 3 in the list of top 10 IIT JEE coaching institutes in Delhi. This institute is run by a group of ex-IITian who have guided thousands of students to get into the IIT field. They provide the best guidance and knowledge to students so that they can easily achieve their path. Moreover, IIT JEE mock test series provided by the institute are excellent in nature. IIT JEE faculties of this coaching institute at Delhi are excellent and at par. The institute provides the best coaching and study material. Alright, now let us talk about the contact details. Firstly, discuss address. The address of Vidya Mandir classes includes 3rd floor plot number A7, Vidya Mandir classes, Agarwal Corporate Heights, Netaji Subhash Place opposite Wazirpur Depot, Pitampura. Their contact number is 8588801214. Alright, now let us talk about their yearly fees for IIT, that is Rs 2,20,000 and the batch size is 100 students per batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have FitJEE Institute. In the list of top 10 IIT JEE coaching, FitJEE holds rank 4 because of many positive obvious reasons. For the past 13 years, this institute has maintained its brand and its success stories. They provide quality guidance and proper tips, therefore, many students have cracked entrance tests as well. They motivate candidates to develop perfection and to make success strategies. The main motto of this IIT JEE Coaching Institute is to solve the problems of students on a regular basis. Alright, now let's talk about the contact number and the address. The address of this institute is 5th floor, Ruth Star District Center, area Lakshmi Nagar, near Nirman Vihar Metro Station, Delhi 110092. Their landline number is 01143002500. So friends, the last institute we'll be talking in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Bansal Classes. Bansal Classes is a very renowned brand in the field of competitive examination, especially in IIT JEE. This institute has very high quality exam preparation and producing best results every year. Moreover, Bansal Classes not only teach for entrance exams but also take care of students to prepare them to crack their board examinations as well. The 2-year regular classroom program is provided by IIT Bansal Classes. Alright, the address of this institute is RZL23 Sham Bhavan, Mahavir Enclave 1, Palam Dabri Road, opposite Shivwani School, Sector 1, Dwarka, New Delhi, Delhi 110045. Their contact number is 09069300038. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.